Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here we have a 2013 or 2012, I'm not sure, Nissan 2014. Nissan. Is it Sentra or Altima? This is Sentra. Okay, this car here, there is no smooth movement. Like if you want to try to move the car to drive it, the car like just go. And then as long to start, and when you start it, if it's not cold, it's shut off. But we have a check engine light on. They change the transmission. They say the transmission they put it in is from so in this car here we have a check engine light, and also they put the transmission on it. So what I need to do is to go into the diagnosis mode, okay, to see what's going on in this car. Okay, let me see something. I like to have a screen recording, and from here I will go to Nissan Sentra 3 Plus, see if I will be able to diagnose this car and see what's going on. I'm gonna turn the engine off because no, there is a little bit of gas, but I'm gonna try to. Okay, okay. Here is Sentra 3 Plus, as you know. Be sure you have internet. He asks you, but just say work offline. Now it's gonna turn to green here, the diagnosis connector. Okay, I'm gonna diagnose the whole system. Okay, Nissan Sentra 2013, 4 pages. We're gonna wait till this one become gray. Sorry. I'm gonna click next. 2013 Sentra, we're gonna wait. Here we have to wait till we see what is going on. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, wow, I have one code. Wow, how many code we have? Tumbler control position sensor, crankshaft circuit, tumbler swirl, tumbler control B. We have battery current sensor B115, battery current sensor, battery temperature sensor circuit. Those are the code. Does it have anything to do with okay, crankshaft sensor code also I have. Go to the next. Okay, manifold runner position sensor, engine signal, occupant sensor, ignition voltage low. I don't see anything there, but you know what I need to do? I'm going to erase all this code. Those are the code that in the car. Okay. Okay, go here, and then erase everything. I'm going to erase it. Where do you get our phone? Oh, that's Muhammad. Lamin, okay. Israel tumbler control position, intake manifold runner position, intake manifold runner position. This is why the car running crazy. Okay, before you go anything, they change the transmission also. So I'm gonna go back to do the transmission programming, and then or we have to fix this problem first. Battery sensor. You see a battery sensor. This is the main problem now. Crank sensor circuit also. We have a code for crank sensor circuit. Those are the major problems in here. Lamine, tu as vu ici, nous avons 3 choses ici. Je sais pas c'est quoi, mais on va voir le décode. Tu as vu ici. Yashowski over fermer dans l'intake manifold là. Peut-être c'est débranché. I'm not sure if it's débranché. And those are the first code. First, we have to go deal with those codes. You see, it keep repeating itself. The P2017, P2014. Okay, let me see. Open the hood. Where is your light? Lumière. Lumière. Over ça. Attends. I don't know what is that, but we have to look for visual inspection. Something have to do with intake manifold runner. Okay, tu as vu ça? I believe one of them is this. Il paraît que, je sais pas how many we have, but maybe this is one. Let's go with those codes one at a time. Il paraît qu'il y a quelque chose ici. Peut-être qu'il n'y a pas de courant qui arrive ici. And also ici, you see this one? The battery sensor. Ça là. Peut-être qu'il n'y a pas de courant, il y a quelque chose qui n'est pas bon ici. This is a battery sensor. So we have to deal with this one and with this one. First, I'm going to try to verify that code. Let's see which one is hard, never go away. We have to narrow those problems. Okay, battery current sensor, battery temperature sensor. This two is no good. We have to see the wiring diagram, and then crank sensor is where temperature control position, intake manifold runner. We're gonna run those codes, see what we need to be done first here, please. And then I will come to the transmission service next. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. Also, I will try to see if there is any configuration or programming to the transmission. We come back for that.